Hello everyone, I'm back again to give you a small tip about saving files with password protection in Excel. So for this I have a dummy file here in Excel that I've already prepared. What we need to do is we go to the file menu, and in the file menu go to save as option, and in save as we'll go to the browse option. Okay, now in the browse I will select the location where I want the file to be saved. I'm planning to keep it on the desktop, and I will call it, say, test1, just a random name. Now we come to the menu here which says tools menu with that inverted arrow here. We click on this and it gives us a pop-up menu with 4 different options. So I'm going to select general options here, and it gives me a pop-up window which tells me to enter 2 types of passwords. See, at the moment it asks you to put in a password for opening the file and another password for modifying the file. I personally generally keep it only for opening the file. That is enough, I feel. So what I'm going to do is I will type out the password here. Now, one thing we need to remember is that if these passwords are lost, Excel will not be able to retrieve them. So I've put in a password here and I click on OK, and it asks me to re-enter password. And it also gives me a warning that if I ever forget the password, then Excel will not be able to recover it. And also the fact that these passwords are case sensitive. So we need to remember what the password was exactly with the case. And if we think we might forget, it's a good idea to write it down somewhere. So I click on OK, and the password has already been implemented. Now I'll click on save at this location. So that is going to save my file. So just for testing it, I will go back and I will close this file and try to reopen it with the help of Excel. File, open. So the file is here, desktop test1, and there it asks me the password. So I enter the password that I had given before, and boom, that's the file. I hope this was helpful to you and you'll be able to use this to put passwords to your Excel file. Have a good day.